My name is Kathrin and I'm an R&D engineer for enzyme sensors.
My name is Anna, and my title is R&D specialist in electrochemical sensors.
I think there is like two components to it. So I believe as a child I was always very interested in observing how things change and how things behave. And I think at some point in school I started understanding that science is the way to not only see what is changing, but also see why it is changing and learn the models and the language behind that.
I think R&D work is very self-driven, detail-oriented, and I tend to say that it's a detective work. What is, I think, quite different than other works is that it's very diverse. So every day looks different because when investigating the issues, we have to firstly find a hypothesis, and this is typically research. So we stay in office, we have a computer, we read a lot, but then we need to verify that hypothesis. So we go hands-on to the lab, we go to production, and actually do experiments, we collect data. Later we need to analyze that data to draw the conclusions. So we go back to the computer, we do the statistics, we use different software. So there's a lot of different things we have to do to create the final report. So it's very, very diverse and always different. And that keeps it exciting. So the other thing I really like is that people keep, by doing daily tasks, they keep in mind the patient.
One thing is my co-workers that I think are very helpful and that are really eager to always take a logical and rational approach towards solving problems. And secondly, I have a lot of female leaders in my close surrounding, and I enjoy that a lot to kind of break a bit the subconscious bias of what is possible and what is normal. The most satisfying moment in my career, I think that is when I achieved my PhD, or when I defended my PhD, because that was the moment where I really felt that I had contributed a little piece to science. And
it's really satisfying when we can actually find the root cause, and that of course happened in my career so far. We were able to dig in and find the answers. I had the opportunity to actually talk to customers. I visited 3 hospitals and talked to doctors that they were using the instruments I was working on. And we were asking, like, what would you like to change? What else do you need? They didn't want to change anything. They were so happy with the performance, they were happy with the quality, and that really made me proud.